Everything that's lost through false lovers, because love has found me frank and of humble appearance, turns back to me from love with overflowing. For now it makes me love with fear more than any one whom it doesn't please. So I love foolishly. No, I don't, and so I hold the folly as sense. For it's fitting of love that it conquer where it pleases, and that what seems folly in another at times should be sense and pleasure and thanks. With such cunning many have good help, but in me not at all. When I think on it well, it doesn't seem to me to be anything but trouble and folly to love her where I find no sustenance. So why do I love her, since I don't part my desire from her? I can't, for in myself I have no power at all. For love holds me, showing me its power in the gentle speech and the fine beauties with which it forces me. And yet the force pleases me. It should well please me, for above the most noble is a rich body of simple bearing, humble and frank, and her sweet gaze. For always, the more I see her, the more she pleases me. If only I had as much of her desire as well. So I don't have enough of it yet. I am hers faithfully. I would well want more, but I have no understanding of it. For if it were as my will is, since I love well, I'd likewise be loved. She need not love me, just because loving her is honor to me. So much in her is knowledge and understanding, noble welcome and company and worth, and great beauty for which the world has no dispute. She has courtesy and joy in youth, but I had need that she'd shown me otherwise the day love took me in its keeping. For now it doesn't want me to be in love, and I can't turn toward another side. What will I do then? All this is error to me, for she doesn't want me and another doesn't please me. I don't know counsel, but if I ever had elsewhere a prideful heart, now I repent of it. For the beautiful one takes vengeance for all of it. She who once set me in good, joyful hope, because one time I took her in agreement that she granted me her love and her company. But now she tells me it was never true. With all this, such great fear takes me of hiding her, that I tell you truly without fail, that many times fear takes sleep from me. So much is her love in my heart that in presence I fear I might speak her beautiful name in sleeping. May I guard myself from myself, and guard myself from other people. Lord Dalphin, and if I had the understanding that ever at any time my love might please her, I'd want to suffer all the harm and peace. Lady, better than good is the flower of teaching, lady of joy, queen of worth, mistress of honors and of beauties. And so I can't part my will from her.